this crazy real estate market derail in 2022? Last year was a year like no other for the Guelph real estate market. We saw extreme increases in housing prices. In the fourth quarter of last year, prices were up 35% for detached houses compared to the previous year. We can't see prices increase at this rate, and here's why we think the market's going to cool off but not crash. Due to inflation, the Bank of Canada is going to be forced to start raising interest rates. However, because of the fragile state of a lot of the large corporations and our overall economy, we're likely not going to see rates increase significantly. The Government of Canada is also talking about implementing several policies to try and slow down the real estate market. They've talked about banning foreign ownership for 2 years, applying a vacancy tax, as well as banning closed bidding wars, and several other policies. Although these policies may reduce our demand slightly, they're not going to solve the real root of the problem, which is that we don't have enough supply. So in the first quarter of 2022, we're expecting to see prices climb pretty rapidly. At some point after that, we are anticipating that the market will cool off a bit. So if you're someone who's thinking of selling, we're recommending that you sell earlier next year, while our market activity is going to be at its peak. And if you're someone who's thinking of buying and you're thinking, maybe I'll hold off and wait until the market cools down, I'd be hesitant towards doing that, just because even if the market cools down, it may not correct as much as prices go up in the first bit. It's very likely that we are going to see a cooling off at some point in the market this year, with interest rates increasing and new policies that are implemented. However, I do strongly feel that we're going to leave 2022 with more expensive housing than what we entered it with. Hi, I'm Brad Wild from Go Wild Real Estate. If you're interested in learning about how to take advantage of the real estate market in 2022, please click the link.